Currently on WRTV on this Monday morning, we are taking a closer look at the recent fatal quadruple shooting right here in Indianapolis. The surviving woman had a protective order against Malik Halfacre. Halfacre is now facing 4 counts of murder for the March 13th shooting spree. He's accused of committing the crime because he wanted a portion of his girlfriend's federal stimulus check. Halfacre had a history of domestic violence with his girlfriend. She obtained a protective order back in October. I sat down with Marion County Prosecutor Ryan Mears to discuss if the protective order failed the survivor in this case.
Having to look at photographs of a 7-year-old who lost her life is just, one of the worst things that you're going to do as prosecutor, and just has a profound impact on you. It's particularly hits home to me because I have a 4- and a 6-year-old at home, and I think about the fact that this little girl could have been in my kid's class.
What is the value of a protective order? This survivor apparently did all the things that she thought she could do. Did it fail her?
I don't necessarily know that it failed her, and I think a lot of times the protective order is an important first step of her standing up and trying to break that cycle of violence and let people know, let authorities know, hey, that this is an issue and this is a problem, and this relationship is not healthy. The one thing that I would encourage people on protective orders, if you know someone who's subject to a protective order, it is incredibly important for everybody to know it is a crime for those individuals to talk to one another. It is a crime for those individuals to be at the same place. Because a lot of times when people are like, here's the protective order, they're like, I don't want to see it, I don't care. And so that doesn't get you out of the protective order. It's, do you have knowledge that it existed? Were you aware that it was there? And service can come in many forms. It can come from a judge telling you orally. It can come from a victim informing you. It could come from a law enforcement.
Prosecutor Mears tells WRTV that his office will never, ever get involved in victim blaming, especially when leaving an abuser is complicated and very difficult. Mears says the survivor in this case plans to help prosecute Halfacre in the quadruple murder case. She has yet to decide whether she will support the death penalty against him. If you need help, if you are a victim of domestic abuse, there's a number that you can call 24/7. You can call 317-923-5750 and speak to someone about your situation, or you can text. That number is 317-864-0832.